Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, you will learn how to change PIN, pattern or password on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you are new here to my channel, please consider to subscribe it and also like this video. Let's get started. First, go to settings. Once you are in settings, use the search bar at the bottom or top menu bar. Here, simply type lock screen. After you type, you can see the pop-up result. Here you can find the security and privacy option under the lock screen option. Click on them. Then tap on it again. Then verify to enter your lock screen password first. After you verify, you can open the next page. Here you can see various lock screen methods available. PIN, password, pattern. Choose the option if you want to set. For example, I am choose the PIN option. Simply tap on the PIN option. After you tap on it, enter the PIN if you set. For example, I am set this 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then tap continue. Then tap on use anyway. Retype the PIN again. Make sure to type the same PIN if you first time. After you confirm by tapping the PIN, simply tap on the OK button and wait to complete the process. And that's it. You have successfully changed PIN, pattern or password to Samsung Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching.